Now, chapter 4, practical geometry. So, in practical geometry, we construct certain figures. Last year, in class 7, you have seen this practical geometry, and there you have constructed triangles. A figure with 3 sides. There, to construct a unique triangle, we need 3 measurements. Mainly there are 6 measurements associated with a triangle, which are 3 sides and 3 angles. 3 measurements for sides and 3 measurements for angles. If we get any 3 measurements, we can construct the unique triangle. That is the one and only one triangle with those given measurements. You have seen how to construct. And here, this year, we construct 4-sided figures known as quadrilaterals. 4-sided figures. As in the case of this previous situation, we need certain measurements to construct the quadrilateral, especially to construct a unique quadrilateral. There are various measurements associated with a figure. And now associated with a quadrilateral, we have mainly measurements for 4 sides, measurements for 4 angles, measurements for diagonals, 2 diagonals. In the case of a quadrilateral, we can have diagonals also. And also there are other measurements, such measurement for area, measurement for perimeter, and all that. But we consider the 8 measurements, which are the measurements for 4 sides, measurements for 4 angles, and measurement for the 2 diagonals. So with these 8 measurements, we will be given any 5 measurements to construct a unique quadrilateral. For the construction of a triangle, 3-sided figure, we need only 3 measurements for the unique construction. But for this 4-sided figures, we need 5 measurements. With 4 measurements, we cannot draw a unique figure. We can construct a quadrilateral with 4 measurements, but that will not be unique. For example, with 4 sides, we can construct more than one figure. Suppose we construct a square. This is a 4-sided figure, a quadrilateral square, all sides equal. And consider this figure, which is called a rhombus. Rhombus. This has 4 equal sides. So with 4 equal sides, we can have a square and also a rhombus. Not unique, 2 figures with the same measurements. So this is not unique. Therefore, to make it unique, we need 1 more measurements minimum. So we will be given 5 measurements, and with the 5 measurements, we can have the corresponding unique quadrilateral. And now, how we can have the 5 measurements? We will discuss 5 types. And the first is, we will be given 4 sides and 1 diagonal. 4 sides and 1 diagonal. 5 measurements, we can construct a unique quadrilateral. And in the second case, we will be given 3 sides and 2 diagonals. 2 diagonals. In this case also, we can construct a unique quadrilateral. And third case, two adjacent sides. Two adjacent sides and three angles. Two adjacent sides and three angles. Then we can construct a unique quadrilateral. The fourth case is three sides and the two included angles. Three sides and two included angles. And finally, 5 is when other special properties are given. Other special properties are given or other special properties are known. So in these 5 situations, we can construct a unique quadrilateral, or we construct a unique quadrilateral in these 5 situations. Okay, and now we will discuss these constructions one by one. And also we know to construct a figure, we use the instruments in the instrument box, the geometrical box, compass, protractor, ruler and all that. Okay, so with the help of this, we can have the constructions, and those will be discussed in the next videos.